How to use a knowledge management system efficiently. By using a knowledge management system, you can easily store, organize, and access all of your important knowledge in one central location. Plus, with features like analytics and reporting, you can track the usage of your knowledge base and identify patterns and trends to help you use it more efficiently. Set up your knowledge management system. Determine what type of knowledge management system you want to use. Consider factors such as cost, accessibility, and the types of knowledge you want to manage. Create an account and set up your profile. This typically involves entering your personal information and choosing a username and password. Customize your knowledge management system to fit your needs. This may include creating custom tags, setting up integrations with other tools, and adjusting the system's settings. Add knowledge to the system. Determine what types of knowledge you want to add to the system. Consider the format that is most appropriate for each piece of knowledge. Use the tools provided by the system to add your knowledge. This may involve uploading files, creating new documents, or recording audio. Organize your knowledge by tagging it or creating folders for organization. This will help you to easily find and access your knowledge later on. Search for knowledge. Use the search function to find specific knowledge. Enter keywords or phrases related to the knowledge you are seeking. Browse through the knowledge base using the provided navigation tools. This may include using tags, categories, or a search filter to narrow down your results. Analyze and measure the effectiveness of your knowledge management system. Use the analytics and reporting features of the system to track how often knowledge is accessed and used. This can help you to understand which knowledge is most valuable to your team or organization. Use this data to identify gaps in your knowledge base and areas for improvement. If certain types of knowledge are not being accessed frequently, you may want to consider revising or updating them. Keep your knowledge management system up to date. Regularly review and update your knowledge base to ensure that it remains accurate and relevant. This may involve deleting outdated knowledge or adding new knowledge as it becomes available. Use the collaboration features of the system to work with others and share knowledge. This may include using tools such as comment threads or real-time editing to collaborate with team members on specific pieces of knowledge.